Here's the sad moment. Truth. Big estimate.
Hope you've learned your lesson.
That's what you get. That you get. You bad kid. Now go to your room. Right away. You're a bad child. Don't you understand? Kung Fu Ninja. Oh, ow.
Go to your room.
You need to go to your room. Come on, me. You need to go to your room, and you need to go to your room, and you need to go to your room.